right, hello everyone. It's Nick from A Longer Life. Welcome to today's technology interview where we are diving into a very cool product called Retimer, which helps us to regulate our circadian rhythm. And today I'm joined by Professor Leon Lack, who's actually originally from the US, just like me, and where he went to Stanford before coming all the way to Australia to settle in Adelaide, where he's been since 1971, actually, working most recently at the Flinders University in the School of Psychology. He conducts research in the areas of sleep, circadian rhythm, bright light therapy, and insomnia. So he knows a lot about sleep. And he's a co-inventor of a portable light therapy device called the Retimer. And so we're here to learn about that. We're going to ask him first off the rank what light therapy is, but first we'll let him say hello. Hello, Leon.
Hi, Nick. Lovely to talk to you.
Thank you. And where are you joining us from today?
Adelaide, from what's called the Adelaide Institute for Sleep Health. It's a large laboratory, very vibrant sleep lab in which there all different sorts of sleep disorders are represented, like sleep apnea, insomnia, circadian rhythm disorders, shift work disorders, that type of thing. We have researchers in all those different specialties. Just recently, we've been featured on an SBS program called Australia's Sleep Revolution, which I think is still available on SBS On Demand. Michael Mosley was sort of the feature artist on it, and unfortunately, he's no longer with us. Died suddenly on a Greek island just earlier this year. But he's a medical doctor who had sleep problems himself, and we treated him in various different ways.
Right. So you are coming from a source of authority today, surrounded by all sorts of sleep technology, sleep experts. And the thing that we're going to speak about today is actually one of the ways we can correct our circadian rhythm, and that's with light therapy. So let's start there. What is light therapy?
Well, I guess it probably means different things to different people. We're not talking about influencing the skin and getting a tan, getting outside and getting some more vitamin D. We're talking about light that penetrates into the eye with normal vision and has an effect in the eyes. And the effect we're talking about is really a well-known biological mechanism that sends light information not back to the back of the brain where vision occurs and our sense of perception, but light goes to the hypothalamus, an area just behind the bridge of the nose, maybe 3 or 4 centimeters back in the center of the brain, and it receives information about light, whether or not light is present and how intense it is and what its wavelengths are. And it controls the body clock. So we know that light stimulation at different times in the day will have effects on resetting the body clock.